Hello and welcome into the 3D. My name is Erdoğan Taşkurt and today I will teach you how you can create this electric circle effect in Unreal Engine 5. Before we start, this YouTube channel created to support people who want to get educated in animation and video games. If you think this channel is worth to support and if you want to see more educational content on this channel, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the tutorial and open your content folder. Inside this, we will right click and create a new folder. We can rename it as VFX, and this folder will contain all of our VFX files. Open the folder, right click again and create a Niagara system. In this new panel, we will select the first option, which is called New System from selected emitter. Hit next, and from the templates, scroll down and select the empty template. So we will make everything from scratch. Hit the plus icon and hit finish. Let's rename this as eCircle NS, which means Electric Circle Niagara System. Once you've done all of these steps, double click on this and open the Niagara system. This is our emitter, and first I will rename this emitter by double click on the text and I will rename it as main emitter. Then I will go under Window, open the Preview Scene Settings, and once you click on that, you will see a panel on the right side. Go under Environment and close the Show Environment option. So we don't have a background environment in the preview panel. Then change the environment color to dark gray and close the preview scene settings. Just skip the selection panel. Now let's go to the emitter update. Click on the plus icon and search for Spawn Burst Instantaneous. Now we only have one particle, but we need to set spawn count to 5000. Now the particle start glowing, and it is because there are 5000 particles on top of each other. For the next step, go to the particle spawn, click on the plus icon and search for shape location. Now set the shape primitive to ring disk. Keep the ring disk mode as a circle and set the ring radius to something around 175. If you rotate the camera, this is the effect that we have. And after these steps, we need to open the initialize particle settings. Make sure lifetime mode is set to direct and set lifetime to 2 seconds. Now change the color mode to unset and set sprite size mode to random uniform. I will make the minimum 1 and maximum 2. Finally, make sure you change the sprite rotation mode to random. After these, go to the emitter state, change life cycle mode to self, set the loop behavior to infinite and make the loop duration 0.4 seconds. Now we need to add some modules to the particle update. First module is the curl noise force. We got an issue as soon as we create this. It says we need to add solve force and velocity module to the particle update, and you can easily do it by just clicking on the fix issue button and it will automatically add the module. Now select the curl noise force, change the noise strength to 100, make the noise frequency something around 15, enable the pan noise field and set the X, Y and Z to 1. Now we have something like this, and for the next step we need to add spring force to the particle update. On the preview panel you can see the difference, but this is not what we need. So go to the particle position, click the arrow and search for initial position. Select the first one, which is the position of our shape. Great. Now let's set the spring tightness to 1, force strength to 0.5 and set the desired minimum separation distance to 0. As a final step, let's add a color module to the particle update. Make a color from the curve, select the first color and set the red to 20, green to 10 and blue to 0. Now set the second color, red to 0, green to 0 and blue to 20. Great. Click OK and go to the sprite renderer and change the alignment to velocity aligned. If you are happy with the result, compile, save, minimize the panel and drag and drop the system to the scene. This is the effect that we have, and if I move it, you realize it makes copies behind, and which is fine. Let me position it. So, every time I move this, the effect makes clones behind, but if you keep it in the same position, it should be fine. If you don't want this, you can go back to your system, open the properties, and enable the local space. Also, if you want to use your GPU instead of CPU, you can change it from here and calculate bound. Let's set it to fixed. Now if I go back and move the system, it will move in its own local space. So it depends on what kind of effect that you need, and it is good to know what local space does. That was it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server. And if you like this tutorial and if you want to see more content on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.